vlog. I'm taking it over. So we have a mystery package.
I don't know what it is.
It came in the mail. He doesn't know what it is, so we're gonna find out. Wait, where did you get that? Is that a little pocket knife?
Yeah, it's a picture.
Sick.
Stab.
Let's just stab it. Yeah.
Casey and I stab. Rip the box open.
Do it.
I don't know what it is. It might be something. What? Oh, I know what this is. Wait.
What? What is that?
I don't know what it is, dude. I genuinely like
Underarm.
Wait a second.
Okay, what is it?
Wait a second.
Oh, it's a gift card. Who is that from?
Like $100.
To you?
Yeah.
Dude.
Dude. Oh wait, I know who this is from. It's from Joe. Okay. I was like completely confused. I was like, what? I was like,
Yeah, I know. It didn't weigh anything either.
oh, I landed on your scooter. I'm good. Okay. Oh, I guess Matt's having trouble and.
Dude, that hurt my tailbone so much. I bruised it yesterday when I was at the book. Oh. Okay.
It's like a TV show.
Okay. Oh, where's the freaking... Okay, here it is. Mom, press the button so it charges.
Oh,
Press the button so you like...
Oh, yeah.
You press it?
Okay, try that. Yeah, try that.
Okay, sick. Yeah, it's working.
Alright, we're following Matty B's right now. I don't know what he's up to. I'm gonna try to tail it on the trampoline because I suck at scootering. Oh god, I just ran into spiderweb.
Wait, hold my phone.
This is a weird trampoline.
Hold my phone.
Let's sell this. Anybody want to buy this?
Don't stop. I'm gonna catch a Wigglytuff. Yes!
You're playing Pokemon Go.
Dude, look at this guy. He's so cute. Look at him. Video of this.
How to get someone off of Pokemon Go. Rubber band, pencil.
Don't do it.
Oh, crap.
Oh, sick. I'm banned.
What the hell is Matt doing?
No, stop! I hit my head on the door. Oh, stop.
Rolling down the street in my 6 car. Oh my god.
We made it. This place is so big, it's legit like a mall.
Alright, I'm here with Matty B's. You see him right here? Matt, look at the camera. Say hi, boy. Battery's about to die. Do they have plugins here? How's it going, Matt?
Pretty nice.
Dude, this is so awesome. We are alone right now. Actually, we're gonna be alone the whole entire time. This is awesome. Got our cards. There's a charger under here, so I'm charging extra batteries because all of them are dead. But this is really good. Like me and Matt are alone. Like we don't have any adults with us. We don't have to worry about annoying siblings. Like his brother, he probably thinks he's annoying. I think my siblings are annoying from time to time. Like you know, it gets to the point where you just gotta have like a break after a while. So this is actually nice. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna go get some food. Let's go. Matt. Look at Matt. Matt. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Hey, wait, where are the...
What? Alright, there you go.
Oh, look. Dude, look at that. Mashed potatoes right there. Boom. I'm fat, everybody, so, you know. I eat a lot. Oh, crap. You spilled. Gravy.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh, shit. It's beeping at me. It's beeping at me.
You're illegal. You're an illegal immigrant.
Here, hold this. Video me doing this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You get chocolate?
Gotta get that hot fudge in there. Well, there's no hot fudge, but,
Okay.
gotta get some sprinkles. Okay.
Chocolate sprinkles.
Oh, don't forget those. Try! What the heck?
That was
dude?
sick, dude.
Bruh! Dude! Are you kidding me? Dude, oh my god.
Wait,
You gotta be kidding me.
Wait. It's not giving any tickets out.
No, it goes in your card. It's wireless.
Then why the hell was there a ticket there?
Because you can pick each one. Dude!
Oh, that was
You're
savage.
so That's another. Oh my god, dude! You're so lucky. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now.
Okay.
Video this.
Get ready.
Okay, so I'm going now. This is my turn. This is my first try. First try. Really? Yeah. Really? That one? I'm not even joking. First try.
So close to my
Dude, that was so close. What try is this?
lost like 2,000 credits. He's gonna use the rest of them. Matt, what do you have to say about this?
I don't know. I feel confident.
I got this.
That's pretty sick.
It's pretty cool. Actually, I want to kind of like drive it around, but I'm gonna take too long, so I'd rather not. I'm gonna get something to drink. So yeah, this is near the end of my vlog, so I'm gonna get something to drink. So hot, like as soon as me and Matt left the place, outside it was just like, it was rainy and it was just super hot. Like it was weird. It was some strange weather. But I'm gonna end this video off right here. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Give me some suggestions for other videos, or if you liked the video, just tell me it was cool in the comments. Also by leaving a like. Subscribe for more content like this. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.